We all share the responsibility to protect the resources of our joint world and to use the money of clients in the best way possible. We must jointly work to avoid waste of energy, water, resources, and money. Most regulators worldwide have recognized that by having loss figures as key performance indicators of how well utility companies operate. We are working on solutions using the data we have to empower utility companies to reduce losses. Knowing where losses happen allows for better planning of the grid and network lifecycle management and reduces the number of unexpected local inspections. Furthermore, it is substantial for CO2 gas emission reduction, for directing investment into assets to the point of highest impact, for better planning of preventive maintenance, and not the least, having better customer relationships. With consideration of the best loss and leakage calculation techniques and formulas, the Cuculus team has designed a mature module that consumes live data from ZONOS. It generates loss and leakage time series data, meaning not just one value but also shows developments over time or depending on loads and pressures. These data are stored, can be visualized in various ways, and feed via APIs into other tools.
Technical losses are caused by various reasons. It could be that equipment is too old or just at too high load, causing inefficiencies. Meters might not measure accurately as well. Conductors are made too old or cables too long or even with poor insulation. The loss numbers are dynamic and depend on the actual load. These reasons are mixed with so-called non-technical losses. For example, users stealing energy by disconnecting a phase of a meter or even bypassing the meter completely or using any other malfunctioning cases. Addressing the loss problem is very complex and requires good data, as well as an accurate model of the grid for the loss calculation.
The loss and leakage management module can be deployed as an individual module of ZONOS. The different network elements like feeders, cables, transformers, and others can be added and configured individually. These network elements can be loaded with real-time data, like from smart meters, but also use standard imports like CSV or Excel files. After running the analysis, the results are visualized via dynamic dashboards and exported into various other formats such as XML or CSV. By reducing losses, utility companies reduce their cost and thus can contribute to affordable energy and water for their end users. Lower losses mean a reduction of CO2 and a healthier planet shared by all of us.